So dear students, now I am going to explain the model number 4 problem in binomial distribution. So before I explain model number 1, model number 2, model number 3, those are long answers, 12 marks questions. So in this video I am going to explain the two short answers. So model number 4 and model number 5 both will be completed in this video. So please subscribe my channel Anu Computer Education. So already uploaded the 4th semester important questions in my channel, so you can make use of all those important questions. And now I'm going to the model number 4. So now just I'm going to take in the pen option. So just read the question. Model number this is a model number 4 problem I'm explaining. So here I'm writing the question, so you can copy the same question. So what is the question is asking here? Okay, the mean of a binomial distribution, the mean of a binomial distribution, the mean of a binomial distribution, okay, is, this is a question, just I'm copying the question, is 4 and this is next its standard deviation. SD is nothing but standard deviation is √3 is given. √3 is given and asking what are the values of n comma p comma q. So is asking n comma q comma, okay. So this is what we need to understand. So just what you need to do the solution now. So you just write down what are the values which are given in the problem. So what is given? Mean is given as what? 4, and the variance, what is given? Standard deviation is given as √3. So you know already, we know that as per binomial distribution, from binomial distribution, you know already from binomial distribution what you know. As from binomial distribution, mean is nothing but NP, and variance is nothing but NPQ. So it means what? It means NP is equal to what is given? 4 is given, and variance is nothing but, so what I will do, what is given? Standard deviation. So what I will do now, I will convert this into squaring on both sides. So once you square, it will become variance. So √3 is equal to √3 whole square. Square root get cancelled, it will become 3. So what is the meaning of variance now? Variance is equal to NPQ. So in binomial distribution, mean is NP and variance is equal to NPQ. So NPQ answer is what? NPQ answer is 3. So now NP answer is 4. So substitute here NPQ is equal to 3 now. So in this NP answer you replace as 4 and Q is left here and 3 is left now. So Q is equal to now 3 by 4 is nothing but 0.75. So you are getting the which answer now? Q answer you are getting. So similarly what we have to do now? I need to calculate the P value. So here only I am doing this answer. So here only, so small problem this is. So you know already, we know that what? P plus Q, probability of success plus probability of failure, always you should get 1. So already you know 0.75. So it means what? P plus 0.75 is equal to 1. 75 is equal to 1. So P is equal to what? P is equal to what? 1 minus 0.75. It is nothing but P is equal to how much? 0.25. So it means you know the P answer, you know the Q answer. So similarly what we have to do now? N also. N we have to find. How to find N? You know now? Binomial distribution what? NP is equal to what? NP is equal to what? Mean is equal to 4. So in this we know already P value. So what we have to do now? N into P means what? 0.25 is equal to 4. So it means what? Therefore N is equal to how much? 4 by 0.25. So if you divide, if you divide, you will get 4 by if you divide 4 by 0.25, you will get 16. So therefore what? N is equal to 16. So this is the answer you need to remember. So this is a model number 4 problem. So this is a short answer. These are very important questions. So compulsory you can get one question from this model. So this is a short answer problem. So similarly I am going to the model number 5 in the same video. So just I am going to the model number 5. This will be the last topic in binomial distribution. The next video will be Poisson distribution problem I am going to explain. So this is a model number 5. 5 problem. This is a short answer. So model 1, model 2, model 3 are long answers, and model 4 and model 5 are short answers. So in this, just I'm copying the question here. What is given in the question? A student, okay, a student, okay, obtained the following. So I'm copying this question. So answer to a certain problem, okay, certain problem given to him, okay, mean is equal to 2.4, and variance is given as 3.2. so for a, this is a question, just I'm copying a question. For a binomial distribution, okay, for a binomial distribution, okay, and comment. So it is asking to comment on the result, okay, comment on the result. So what is the answer you are getting? Okay, result we have to comment. So this is important thing you need to remember. So now solution, this is model number 3, short answer. So what you will write here? Just same thing as usual. Before what we have done, the same thing you have to do. Given n is equal, mean is equal to how much? 2.4 is given. Next, variance is given. So variance is given in this problem. Is directly is given variance. Before problem is given a standard deviation. So directly is given as 3.2. So we know that from binomial distribution, okay, the mean of a binomial distribution is what? NP. So mean is equal to what? NP. And variance is equal to what? Variance is equal to, so these are the formulas you need to remember. NPQ. So as per the problem, so what is given? NP means what? NP is nothing but mean. Mean is, answer is there, 2.4 is given. So variance is nothing but NPQ. NPQ answer is given as 3.2. So clear now up to here? So what we have to do now? So NP answer as 2.4. So NP answer you replace in this here. So it will become, NP means what? 2.4 into Q. 2.4 into Q is equal to 3.2. So therefore Q is equal to 3.2 divided by, so when it is come to the down this side, it will become denominator. So 2.4. So once you divide it, Q is equal to how much? 3.2 by 2.4. If you divide this, you will get 1.33. So 1.33. So remember, this is only the important point you need to remember. So as per binomial distribution, so I am going to the next. Okay, what is that? Just I'm taking pen option here. Now remember, so what I need to take here? So what is P and Q? P comma Q are what? Probabilities only, na? Okay, probabilities only. Okay, probabilities. So P's and Q are both are probabilities only, no problem. But यहाँ पे मालूम क्या है? मालूम है Q is always I'm saying always less than or maximum it is equal to 1. So it come मतलब क्या है? Q का वैल्यू जो भी है ना, आंसर 1 और 1 मैक्सिमम 1 रह सकता, 1 से कम रहना. पर ये प्रॉब्लम में क्या होगा? इससे पहले आपको Q इज इक्वल 1.33 आ रहा, 1 से क्रॉस हो गया. सो इट कैन नॉट बी डन. सो व्हाट वी हैव ट्राइड इन द कंक्लूजन, Q cannot be greater than 1, greater than 1. So why? Because ये प्रॉब्लम में आपको Q का वैल्यू 1.33 आ रहा. तो आपको मालूम है प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सक्सेस प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ फेलियर दोनों को मिला था आंसर 1 आना. तो ये यहाँ Q ही 1.33 है, तो P और ज़्यादा हो जाता. आप दोनों प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सक्सेस फेलियर मिला तो 1 से ज़्यादा ऊपर आ रहा ना. सो रॉन्ग है, प्रॉब्लम में Q रॉन्ग है. सो क्या लिखना है यहाँ पे? हेंस लास्ट कंक्लूजन. क्वेश्चन में क्या लिखो बोला? रिजल्ट्स के ऊपर कमेंट करो बोला, तो वो कमेंट लिख रहे हैं. हेंस द रिजल्ट्स ओके ऑब्टेन्ड बाय द स्टूडेंट. ऑब्टेन्ड कौन करा ये प्रॉब्लम? स्टूडेंट करा. ऑब्टेन्ड बाय द स्टूडेंट okay, by the student are not correct करेक्ट. So remember, this is important point you need to remember. Sir, ये क्या है सर प्रॉब्लम बोलते हैं. Again I'm repeating. So once you so again I'm going to the previous slide. So here again you observe it. So again I'm taking pen. यहाँ पे क्या करें, मीन का आंसर 2.4 है. एनपी का आंसर मैं यहाँ पे लिखे तो क्यू का आंसर आ गया. क्यू का आंसर क्या है 1.33 आ रहा. तो कंपल्सरी देखो पी प्लस क्यू करे तो आपको ऑलरेडी 1 आना, तो क्यू ही 1 के ऊपर चला गया. तो अब ये रॉन्ग हो गया ना. कभी भी प्रॉपर्टी में क्या रहता है मैक्सिमम आंसर 1 ही आना, तो यहाँ पे क्यू ही 1.33 आया, तो ये रॉन्ग है ये. सो इसलिए अपन यहाँ बोला क्यू कैन नॉट बी ग्रेटर देन 1. क्यू कैन बी लाइज बिटवीन ओके लेस देन 1. 0 से लेके 1 के बीच में कौन सा भी आ सकता है, मगर क्यू कैन नॉट बी मोर देन 1. जब ये प्रॉब्लम है क्यू 1 से ज्यादा एक्सीड हो गया बोल के रॉन्ग है. तो वी हैव टू राइट द कमेंट ऑन द okay problem. So this is one of the important model you need to remember. Okay, so next video will be the Poisson distribution. So please subscribe my channel Anu Computer Education.